Step into the digital world of automotive excellence with a pre-built website template designed for modern, premium auto repair businesses. This template is a digital representation of precision, reliability, and high-quality service, tailored for car owners who demand the best. From the moment visitors land on the homepage, they're greeted with a sleek, contemporary design that mirrors the professionalism of a high-end auto service center. The layout is intuitive, offering smooth navigation that guides users effortlessly through the site. Whether it's exploring services, reading customer reviews, or scheduling an appointment, every element is designed for a seamless user experience. The template is fully responsive, ensuring it looks sharp on any device, desktop, tablet, or mobile. This guarantees your business makes a lasting impression, no matter how your audience accesses the site. Showcase your services with dedicated sections for routine maintenance, brake repairs, engine diagnostics, and more. The design is highly customizable, allowing you to highlight your expertise and the unique value your shop brings to the automotive industry. The testimonials section highlights reviews and success stories from satisfied customers, building credibility and reassuring potential clients they're choosing the right shop. Every detail of this template reflects the professionalism and precision of a trusted auto service center. From the bold color scheme to the clean, modern fonts, the design creates a cohesive and trustworthy online presence. This pre-built website template is fully customizable, easy to set up, and ready to help you showcase your expertise in the automotive industry. Transform your online presence today with this expertly designed website template. Let your shop's reputation shine and welcome customers to a space where every detail matters. To preview the demo site and explore its features, check the link in the description or visit the shop.